Introducing Luup-X, the all-terrain, high-end carbon fiber frame fat tire e-bike built just for you. This is the first fat tire e-bike of its kind, built to custom fit your size, riding experience and terrain. Luup-X is designed to fit any rider no matter the height or size, which means anyone can configure it to their needs. With a frame made from very strong yet also very lightweight material, Luup-X is lighter than most fat tire e-bikes ever made. Designed with range, power and speed, our bikes are made to get you there quickly, reliably and without interruption. In a rush to get to your destination? Don't worry, we got you. Climb any steep hill you come across with ease and comfort in a blink of an eye. Its high-end specs and amazing speed pedelec makes Luup-X the perfect e-bike, engineered for the road, mountains, urban traffic and snowy days, terrains in which balance, braking power, grip and visibility are vital. Every Luup-X is water resistant and equipped with proper features to withstand even the heaviest snow, which makes it your perfect companion for winter holidays. And the most fun part? You can always go the distance with our beautifully designed battery system by charging it just once a day. All bikes are designed and created by our experienced and award-winning engineers, so you don't just get a bike, you get dependable and world-class engineering at its finest. So when you ask what sets Luup-X apart from the rest, the answer is performance, comfort and utility. You will go further, faster and with more comfort than anyone else on the road. We didn't just build you a seasonal bike. We built you a high-end, quality e-bike to enjoy all year round.
Hi, I'm Matthew, CTO of Luup-Q. Fat tire bikes have been around for years. They are known for their rugged and different terrain adaptability. Unfortunately, it makes them heavier and not so easy to move around. We created Luup-X to solve this issue. With its unique carbon fiber frame, now we've solved it. We brought together an incredible team of specialists to make Luup-X possible, so we are confident to deliver above your expectations. We just need your help, so go reserve your Luup-X today on Indiegogo.